So now we're going to proceed here. So instead of bending the horse to the left, Devon's going to keep the right bend. So now the right leg becomes more active, the left rein becomes more involved. So now we're going to keep the right bend and we're going to ask for the circle and the counter bend. So right here, nothing changes other than the intensity of the aids. So she's doing posting trot on the right, on the big circle, and we're going to stay in the sitting trot, going to the left. So now his right front has to take a little bit of a lateral step. He stays elongated on the left side, shortened on the right side. We already have the bend, and all we're doing here is changing the direction. Okay, Devon, let's change through the circle here, so we'll work the other side. Good, so now the right side is elongated, the left side is shorter. He's following Devon's hand. Remember, the bit, the shoulder, and the haunches in this true bend exercise has to stay perpendicular to the track. So here, Devon looks to the right. Her left leg engages a little bit more. Devon, watch your left hand. It wants to push him over just a little bit. That's one thing that we're trying to avoid. There you go. Good. Good. And so maybe, Devon, increase your trot a little bit on the big circle. Maybe make a couple big circles. And then we'll do that counter bend again. Good, so now Devon, go back to the sitting trot and counter bend. And really demonstrate your left hand being not involved. Left leg. So he's just a little late coming off the left leg there. So this is where everybody is tempted to grab that left rein. But what really needs to happen is the left leg has to get more active. The wind is picking up a little bit, so Max tends to get a little bit more environmental. So Devon is going to try to keep him with him. Because if you mentally lose your horse, yeah, very good, Devon. If you mentally lose your horse, if he no longer is connected to your mind, you will also use your leg. They go together. Very good. And increase your trot a little bit, Devon. There, he's relaxing and snorting again. And let's do this one more time here. Left leg, beautiful left hand. Good, so Devon, let's see if we can get a canter transition right here. You already have the correct bend. Very good. Very good. So your horse is already bent the proper way. Just make a couple canter circles. So he's a little up today. Good. Good. Maybe transition back to the sitting trot and counter bend. Good. So now he has to come back off the left leg again. Good. And let's do another canter transition. Get him straight. Beautiful. So he should be exactly in the right position with his legs. Just make another circle here, Devon. So he should be able to just step right into the canter.